Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix L-Carnitine liquid correctly. First, understand that L-Carnitine is a popular supplement often used for energy and fat metabolism. It comes in a liquid form for easy consumption, but proper mixing is key for both effectiveness and palatability. We'll cover everything from preparation to storage, ensuring you get the most from your supplement. Let's get started with the basics. Before you begin mixing, always consult your L-Carnitine liquid product label. This is crucial for understanding specific concentrations and recommended serving sizes. Typically, a dose might be 1 or 2 tablespoons, or a specific milliliter amount. Use a clean, accurate measuring spoon or dropper to ensure you're taking the correct amount. This step prevents underdosing or overdosing, which is important for safety and efficacy. Now for the mixing itself. Once you have your precise dosage measured, carefully add it to your chosen beverage. Water is a common choice, but juice can help mask the taste if preferred. Aim for 8 to 12 ounces of liquid to ensure proper dilution. Stir thoroughly with a spoon or shake vigorously in a sealed bottle until the L-Carnitine liquid is completely dispersed. This ensures an even distribution and a consistent taste. After mixing, it's best to consume your L-Carnitine liquid immediately. This ensures maximum potency and prevents any degradation of the supplement. For any unmixed L-Carnitine liquid, always refer to the product's storage instructions. Generally, it should be kept in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Some products may require refrigeration once opened to maintain their quality and extend their shelf life. Always check the label.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.